Welcome to the project demonstration of solar power bank with wireless power transmission. So which is a portable model. We have designed this for wireless power transmission, and here two solar panels are connected in series to charge our battery pack directly. So this is a battery pack. We are using 12 volt 1 amp. So the main application of this project is, which is portable model, we can carry that anywhere, and that can be charging to the solar panels to the battery pack. And once the battery is charging, we can utilize that power for mobile phone charging using this cable, or else directly some mobile phones consist of inbuilt wireless power transmission receiver modules, so that just placing the mobile phone on the system so that we can charge our mobile phone through the wireless technology. So here we are using a 12 volt 9 volt 3 watt solar panels, which are connected in series to charge this battery pack, and so the charging output is directly from the solar panels to these charging circuits. As we can see, the low lighting intensity, we get in the low lights from this charging circuits, and it will take around 4 to 5 hours to be get fully charged either from the solar panels or transformers. So we can provide a transformer also to charge this battery pack. So for that, just we need to disconnect this solar panel input to the charging circuit and connect the transformer over here, and now on the power supply to the transformer. So it will take same 4 to 5 hours to be get fully charged either from the transformer or from the solar panel. So before demonstration of this project, we should keep the battery under charging, means connect this transformer to the charging circuits at least of 4 hours, and then after while project demonstration you can just connect this. So now the project will work with only solar panel. Okay, and this is a main on off switch. So we are using the battery rating of 12 volt 1 amp, and here this circuit will convert the DC to AC, as when we want to transfer the power from one coil to another coil, then we should provide the high frequency AC signal to a copper coil, then the EMF will be generated around this copper coil. So when we place the secondary coil in this EMF, then this will get induced, and the same frequency, same voltage will be given as input to the circuit. So this circuit will convert the AC to DC, and from there it will provide us a 5 volts constant. Through this USB connector, we can charge a multi mobile phones directly to the cable. So here these are the ratings, and there is a description about the components. And let us see the demonstration. So without mobile phone, just I am showing the LED indication. So the transmitter got switched on. So when we place the coil, so we can see the two lights indications on this one. Let us check with mobile phones connected. Right, so we have connected the two mobile phones as a one output directly. Now let us check with the outputs. Right, okay. So two mobile phones got connected and they are charging now. So at the end of the video, I'll place the which we are using the iPhone to charging that. Okay, thank you. Now let us check with the iPhone. So which has an inbuilt wireless power transmission, receiving module. Just when we on this, so you can see that it's charging now. Again. Right. Thank you.